Today I'm going to show you how to replace a recliner pole handle. I'm going to start by unscrewing the screw where it's screwed into the couch. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. And it's connected by a cable right in there. There are different styles and types, and this is a flapper type, and it's just connected by that little white tab. I'm going to go ahead and pop it out with a screwdriver. And on the top, I pulled off that little tab there with the pair of pliers, and it comes apart very easy, just like that. Gonna get yourself a new handle, and it comes with the cable as well. Make sure the part matches up and make sure it's correct. I tipped my couch over on its face so it was easier to get to it underneath. Gonna go ahead and feed the cable through. Alright, and as you can see, there's the old cable, and you can see where it's connected on that little tab. And that's how you unhook it, and you just pull out the old cable. It's just clicked in a couple different spots. And goodbye, old cable. And make sure the new cable's clicked in just as the old one was run. And then make sure you hook it back on that little lever. That is what pulls it and does all the magic and makes it recline. So make sure that is hooked on there. Make sure you pop it back in, and then screw it back on. There you go, all set. Guys, please like and subscribe. Hopefully this helped you recline again. And there you guys go.